Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Explanation type of deposits. Deposit can be simply be interpreted as a process of cooperation between the customer and the bank to deposit a certain amount of money within a certain period of time according to a mutually agreed time between the bank and its customer and prospective customers. A time deposit is a simple investment type savings program from a bank that promises a fixed interest rate from a certain period of times. The period offered by the bank starts from 1, 2, 3, 6, 12, uh, 18 or 24 months. In contrast to ordinary savings in the way of saving deposits, the interest rate is only paid the end of the investment periods. Each bank has different and competitive interest rates. One type of deposit and the method of saving deposit that is often used is usually to transfer funds to other parties for safekeeping. In in other words, money is transferred by investor to a saving account stored in a bank. The status of the money saved still belongs to person who saved the money, and that person can withdraw the money at any time, can transfer the money to another person's accounts, or use the money for other purpose. To start a deposit, one is required to create a new account and deposit a certain amount of money with a predetermined minimum. Before you start saving on deposit, first identify the type of deposit below and how to save good deposits. Type of deposits. If you are interested in opening a deposit account, you must first understand what type of deposit you need and wants, because deposit hold for a certain period of times. In the time for withdrawal is not yet due, you cannot withdraw the money. If you make a withdrawal prematurely, you will be subject to a penalty. In addition, you also have to understand to how to save deposit properly and correctly so that you don't make a wrong move. There are three types of time deposit, namely time deposit, certification of deposit, and all call deposits. 1. Time deposit. For this type of deposit, this is the type of deposit that is most often used. Time deposit is a type of time deposit for a certain time according to the agreement starting from 1, 2, 3, 5, 12, 18, or 4, 24 months, so that withdrawal made by customer can only be made at certain times. How to save a time deposit? The money storage system is done where you are required to save money at a certain times. Time deposit can be used on behalf on individual or institutions. The bank will provide interest to the customer deposit savings. The interest rate offered by the bank will be higher than ordinary savings. 2. Certificates on deposits. Certificate on deposit is a type of deposit that does not refer to the name of a particular person or institution, because the certificate can later be transferred or tendered to other parties. Deposit made by customer are given a choice of 3.6 or 12 months accompanied by a certificate. Disbursement of interest made in advance can be done every month on every maturity. 3. On-call deposits. Meanwhile, on-call deposits are relatively short-term saving with a minimum period of 1 week or a maximum of 1 month. Usually, on-call type deposits are used in fairly large amount. Interest disbursement can be made at the time of deposit disbursement, provided that the customer has notified in advance that the saving will be withdrawn or disbursed. Step on how to save a time deposit and choose it. Often people who want to try to save deposit but do not understand how to save deposit properly. Many of them end up choosing to keep their money or important certificate at home. Furthermore, if you already understand how the difference between saving and deposit product and have studied the type of deposit, then if you want to open a deposit, here is how to save a deposit and how to choose a deposits. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give like, comment and subscribe.